Yeah.
No.
Clock it.
No.
Come on.
Damn, right there, you see? She said no. Maybe she is just still playing the part.
Is this a fail for you? Or not yet? Like,
Hell yeah. Yo, if you say she ain't failed, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Bro, if you say she ain't failed, bro, I promise you, bro, you is the biggest bozo of all time. If you don't think your girl failed right now, I'ma smack this through this camera, bro. You ain't heard the way she just... Shorty just had a whole fucking little gasm, bro. Like, what